Welcome to Daily C1 English Vocabulary, 5 business idioms. To sound like a native at work. Let's begin. Circle back. Return to a topic later when there's more information or time. Synonyms: return to, revisit, get back to.
What's your take on the new pricing strategy?
I need to run some analysis first. Can we circle back on Friday?
Are we launching in March or April?
Good question. Let me circle back after I talk to the product team.
Touch base. Briefly contact someone to give or receive an update. Synonyms: check in, connect, sync up.
How's the campaign performing?
Let's touch base tomorrow. I'll have the full report by then. Did the client approve the timeline?
I'm touching base with them in an hour. I'll update you after.
On my radar. To be aware of something or to have it as a priority in your mind. Synonyms: on my list, aware of it, keeping track of it.
Did you hear about the policy changes in Europe?
It's been on my radar for weeks. We're already preparing.
Are you planning to hire more designers?
It's on my radar, but not a priority until next quarter.
In the loop. Being informed and up to date on what's happening. Synonyms: informed, up to date, updated.
Please keep me in the loop on the client feedback.
Absolutely. I'll see you on all emails.
When did they decide to delay the launch?
Just yesterday. Sorry you weren't in the loop. It happened fast.
Take it offline. To discuss a topic privately or outside of the current meeting to save time. Synonyms: talk privately, discuss separately, handle outside the meeting.
I have concerns about the design direction.
Let's take it offline. I don't want to derail this meeting.
Can we go over the contract details now?
That'll take a while. Let's take it offline after this call.
Today we've learned circle back, touch base, on my radar, in the loop, take it offline. You'll see them again in future videos, so they'll stick in your memory. Subscribe and watch our podcast to dive even deeper.